Hey Mason jar lovers, it's Kelsey here with Recap, and I am here to answer one of your most burning questions today. Can you freeze a mason jar? Short answer, yes you can, but see these shoulders here? That is a no-go for mason jars and freezing. Here's a handy little chart that you can screenshot real quick so you know what's safe and what's not. So here are some of the jars that are safe. We have the 24 ounce, we have the pint, we have the half pint, and we have the 4 ounce. See how these all have straight edges, so they are safe. A few guidelines that we have are: first, we don't want to fill the jar up all the way, leave about ½ inch to an inch of space. Second, just screw it on so it is fingertip tight. First, cool your food down to room temperature, and then you're going to put it in the fridge to bring it down to temperature even further. And then that is when you're going to take it out of the fridge and add it to your freezer. When you're adding your jars to your freezer, just a couple things you want to remember. You don't want to let those jars clang together. So you want to add like a towel, an old piece of fabric, even if you like put an old sock over the jars, just to keep that glass on glass action from not happening. One last tip, don't put a frozen jar in a microwave. Let it thaw out first. Happy freezing!